What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and today I will show everybody how to connect your PS4 or PS5 controller to your PC without using a USB cord. Now, as y'all don't know, PS4 and PS5 controllers have Bluetooth installed in the computer, and I'm just going to show y'all how to connect it without a USB cord through Bluetooth. So you had to download this application here. It's for Windows. So I didn't even know PS3 controllers could be connected here too. DualShock 3 and 4. And yes, it is only, I believe only works for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So y'all can download it. There's older versions. This is the current version. These are like desktop runtime files that y'all need to download before installing this application. Just click download. Go here. Start files. It's in here along with the app here. There's an updater if you need to update the application. You open it, pick where you it's gonna ask you pick where you want profiles and settings to be saved. Location files will be deleted. Program folder for those who prefer portable program. I probably prefer everybody to use program folder. Enable device map support. Uses support for other types of controllers. PS3, Nintendo Switch, Switch Pro, and PS5. Alright, I guess that's it. And here you could just connect your controller. Now, oh yeah, like I said, now you hold the select button next to the touchpad of the PS4 or the PS5 controller, along with the PlayStation button. You hold it, it will start blinking blue. You go to settings, you go to Bluetooth. Yeah, you click the add device, Bluetooth, and you click on DualSense wireless controller, or you can just click on wireless controller if you see PS4. I mean, if you see wireless controller, you just click on that and it will connect. Alright, and here we go. Here's the controller. It's connected to Bluetooth. So you can play whatever games you want to play on. PC games, emulator games, whatever, if you want to use a PS4, PS5, or PS3 controller. Alright, that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed, or hope and understand what this video is about, and see you.